All right, now that we've learned all about sharks, we're gonna make some shark snacks with Sammy Sue.
We have some melted white chocolate
White chocolate.
that we're going to use to dip Rice Krispie treats in and decorate them with sharks.
Right.
So you're going to dip your Rice Krispie treat in the chocolate. And you can use any chocolate. I like white chocolate. Like that. So messes are okay. And we're going to decorate with sprinkles. We have rainbow sprinkles.
Rainbow
And
sprinkles.
mermaid sprinkles.
Ooh.
And then you can have little gummy sharks swimming in the chocolate. Because who doesn't want to swim in chocolate? Right?
Shark gummies.
And there's little paper. See? Little paper shark toppers. Party time.
Where's that on there?
What?